checking out the engine bay. It looks absolutely gorgeous. They did a killer job on this. Looks really, really good. Firewall looks amazing. All of this looks good. Underside of the hood is painted as well. Like I said, they did a great job on this. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Overall, I would rate this car an extremely high 9 out of 10. Inside, out, engine, undercarriage, I mean the whole 9. It is absolutely gorgeous. One thing to note real quick, here on the stripes, this little graphic right here, you can see it's kind of ghosted into that white right there. Really hard to tell. Looks really good. And then you have 3 arrows right there, but that is the graphic or the logo, and that's on the key ring. So you can kind of see it in there. Very, very cool. Starting with the front right wheel. You have a tiny little scuff right there. Little there. Overall though, looks good. All that looks nice. Very clean in there. And the stripes are cleared over, so it's underneath the clear. It's very smooth. Now you're gonna see little scuffs from just kind of everyday washing. I don't see any gashes here. That fender looks amazing. That looks perfect. Scanning the roof. I don't see any dents or any imperfections here. And as a matter of fact, I did not see any dents on this entire car. Everything looked really nice. You can probably see tiny little scuffs from everyday washing, but a good little paint correction, that'll all go away. See a little rock chip there. Overall, the wheel looks awesome. Here on the door edge, you can see some minor scuffs that got the paint. All these panels look good though, nice and clean. Absolutely gorgeous interior. Then looking at the front, like I said, you have the cool ghosting graphics here. All of that is underneath the clear. They did a really good job on this paint. You're gonna see a couple tiny little rock impacts. Very minimal though. Scanning that hood there, looks good. You're gonna see some of the black is kind of flaking right there around the edge. Very subtle. That chrome looks awesome. Emblem looks good. As you see, a little ding right there on that chrome. Otherwise, all of this is really, really nice. Some of the paint's kind of flaking in here. You can just see how clean all of that is. And looking at the driver's side, here on the fender, looks amazing, very clean. Here on this wheel, it's in great condition. Caliper looks good. You can even see the barrel looks nice. A couple little scuffs here on the chrome. That paint looks nice. I do see a little bubble right there. Otherwise, this all looks really, really good. Looking at the door, looks nice. You do have a little scuff here. It barely catches my nail. And then here on the lower side, you do have a chip right here. And then a couple tiny little chips there. This is the only other thing that stood out to me is right here. You can see that crack in the clear, I believe, and underneath right there. Everything else though looks good. Quarter panel looks amazing. That wheel looks good. Absolutely gorgeous. And checking out the back, kind of scan the deck lid here. I don't see any dents or gashes. I see a couple tiny little surface scuffs from just everyday washing. Overall though, looks really good. Light looks awesome. This chrome is perfect. Reflection is amazing. That looks good. I believe that's a chip there. That or something just on the surface. And then looking underneath. All that looks good. And then looking at the trunk, all this carpet looks amazing. Everything's tucked in nice and clean. You got your little trickle charger port right here. The underside looks good. Very, very nice. All right, checking out the interior. This thing is wicked. They did a killer job on this car. Looks really good. Handles on there nice and secure. You're gonna see a couple little scuffs. Stitching looks nice. Upper panel looks good. Carpet's nice and clean. That is a good looking door panel. Looking in the jams. These look nice. Couple chips up here. Otherwise that looks really good. See some of that material's kind of peeling back. Couple imperfections there. Beautiful seat belts. That bolster looks nice. This leather super soft. Couple tiny scuffs here. A little bit of wear on that piping. The rest of that looks good though. You're gonna see a few fingernail scratches on the steering wheel. A couple markings, especially with this being white. That billet looks good. Steering column, all of this is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Got the Alpine, power windows. Couple scuffs on the edge, a few markings. For the most part, looks really, really nice. Upper side of the dash looks good. Here on the passenger panel, all of that looks good. Stitching is clean. Handles on there nice and secure. That carpet looks good. I mean, that thing is pretty much perfect. Try to get in the jams here. They look really nice. They did a really good job. That trim looks good. You're gonna see a couple little surface scuffs. I don't know if that's stuff that can be wiped off. It is probably really hard to keep this white perfect. You do have a little rip here, kind of forming. Looks like the seatbelt when it's on though, it covers it up a little bit. That leather super soft. Looks really good. That side of the console looks nice. Shifter's all clean. Very sleek. Now the glove box, the alignment is off a little bit. I'm looking at the upper pad. That looks good. You got the white up here. This looks like it is kind of wrinkling there. It's probably just a stress area, but no rips or tears. All of this looks really good. Seats are perfect. I mean, they did a killer job on this. There's not much to pick apart back here. All right, we're going for a quick test drive here. Car sounds amazing. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. These brakes are solid. They have a lot of bite to them. They're actually really sensitive. I love the all white. I do hear a little bit of wind noise here on the left side. It's very subtle. Car drives amazing. I have no complaints with it. Everything feels really good. Car has 4,411 miles on it. Going 40 and I'm going to hit the brakes right now. This thing stops on a dime. Absolutely amazing.